guys, so the time has finally come. Ford versus Chevrolet, Larry versus Baby Squat, 5.4 versus 5.3, pre-cat true dual straights versus catback true dual straights. Both 2 cats on each truck, but these are kind of like half cats on this truck, so I'll show you all that in a little bit. But right off the bat, why are the hoods freaking pop? Well, we're trying to cool off Baby Squat so it has somewhat of a cold start versus Larry, even though Larry doesn't really crank up that loud. Battery is being charged, it's ready to crank, but Larry is also out of gas, so we're about to go hop in the OBS, go run grab some gas, and then by the time we get back, hopefully all this will be ready to go and it won't be too dark. I'll take a quick moment to appreciate Earl. Clearly the best signing truck in the fleet. And just like that, we are back. I totally forgot to even film because it's freaking getting dark on me and I'm freaking stressing out. But anyways, 5.4 pre-cat true dual straight. We'll hop under here. I don't know if y'all can even see. 2 great. 1, 2 over there. Pre-cat true dual straight all the way back to some 5 by like 15-inch tips, something like that. And then over here on the Chevy, 5.3 true dual catback straights. There's 1 cat, there's another one over there. These are true duals going all the way back to some shorty 5-inch tips. No, this isn't axle dump like some people say. It's coming out right here. That's way past the axle. But that's it. No crossover. 2 cats on each one. Smaller cats on the Ford. Well, change of plans. It was getting too dark. Didn't want to rush it. So we're up at the crack of dawn. And it's about to be a genuine cold start. 55 degrees this morning. Let's go ahead and get it. your baby squat, 5'3", 5'4". Dude, they both sound so freaking good to me, and I know this is, how are you gonna judge it? How you gonna judge it? You can judge it on loudness, choppiness, deepness, pops and crackles. I mean, you can judge it by a million different things. Just leave your comment down below. Revs 100% goes to Larry. Larry sounds freaking insane revving this thing up. It's got all the good pops and crackles. It's stupid deep, and it has that real unique sound. I just think it just sounds freaking insane. I absolutely love it. Baby squat's a little bit hindered by the fact that the factory tune has such slow deceleration. It sounds really good when you jab the throttle, but then it takes like literally 3 seconds to rev back down, whereas Larry's like bloop bloop, you know, just quick blips. I'm actually really surprised Baby Squat spun those over that easy. Like, I was kind of thinking that it wasn't going to, and it actually, I felt like it spun those over because I was just really baby, like not even on the throttle that much, and it spun them over easier than it did with the 22s and 33s. I'm gonna leave the final judgments up to y'all. I don't want to say which one I like better. They both sound freaking insane, and they both have their little unique characteristics that just kind of give them the extra edge over one another in different categories. So I'm really glad I ended up waiting the next day to film all this, because I really enjoyed filming this, and last night I was really getting frustrated because I was having to rush everything and just didn't have enough time. And now this morning, I was able to film it all and really enjoy it, and I got a free clap wagon wake up alarm clock for everyone in probably a couple mile radius. I thankfully was able to get all that done without experiencing any police, which is very good. I'm very thankful for that. So anyways, guys, there she is. That's your final battle, Larry versus Baby Squat. Man, it's just some V8 goodness, and I get it. Not everybody's gonna enjoy it. Some people are really gonna hate this exhaust on both trucks, and that's perfectly fine, because at the end of the day, they are in fact my trucks, and I absolutely love them. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Coming up, I guess fairly soon, we'll have the OBS to throw in the mix. So with all that being said, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment, turn notifications on, comment down below what you want to see next with the trucks, and I will see y'all in the next one.